My name is Sascha Gusenbauer. I am a team leader at HAUSER Refrigeration Technology in Austria. We're a worldwide supplier for refrigeration technologies and freezers. Our problems have been that we just didn't know which technician had which tools in the vehicle. Furthermore, we haven't actually received any reports of defects. It was simply reported, "My tool is broken, I need a new one." It wasn't checked if there was any way this could be repaired. There were sometimes very long downtimes because the technicians weren't equipped with the device for a long time due to long postal routes and shipments. Problems with deadlines were that we just didn't know when which test period expires. Nothing was really tracked. So the first thing was an online presentation by Timely, where the functions were presented to us. Then the demo version was activated directly, where we were able to use the playground ourselves. The demo version was directly transferred to the operative, so we continued working directly with the articles that we created in the demo version and used them directly. Because every employee has access to Timely on their mobile phone, they can easily scan the QR code from the device and create their defect reports, and then send it directly to the person responsible so that they then know, okay, the device will soon be handed over to the company by the technician, and they can then start the repair process. Particularly with regard to repair times, we've certainly shrunk from weeks to days, and we sometimes have downtimes of just a few hours. Or the mechanic can stay right there and the device is repaired right away. Deadlines and so on are no longer an issue. We have this completely under control and mapped very clearly with Timely. When it came to choosing the right solution, Timely simply stood out thanks to the linking of employee and inventory management. For the HAUSER company, the investment has certainly paid off. Many tools that used to simply disappear or be gone now remain in the inventory and we know exactly where they are. Or rather, they are also returned on time. Timely has generally been very well received in the company, and questions keep coming in. What do you use there? What do you have there? Can you show us? Because it might be implemented in other departments as well. I think the acceptance is very high. My name is Sascha Gusenbauer and I am an absolute Timely fan.